How to fix Microsoft Word missing margins. Opening a document only to find your pages jammed directly against each other with zero top and bottom margins completely ruins your editing layouts. This isn't a corrupt file or a broken print setting. It is a hidden interface toggle that completely collapses the vertical gap between sheets. Today, we are restoring your default margins and bringing back your standard workspace view. So we will use the absolute fastest method to pop your page borders back into place. So just scroll down through your document until you find the exact horizontal line where one page ends and the page 2 begins. And then move your mouse cursor straight into that thin gray seam line, which is this one right here. And you can just watch the pointer closely. At the moment you hit the sweet spot, your arrow icon will transform into a distinct double square symbol with arrows pointing up and down, displaying a tooltip that reads double click to show white space. Execute a quick double click right there, like this, and your top and bottom margins will instantly spring back into existence across the entire file. Now, if your mouse tracking is acting up on you, or you want to make sure this layout state never accidentally collapses again, we can lock it down through the system preferences. So look up at your top navigation ribbon layout, click on File, and enter the Backstage menu panel, move to the absolute bottom and click on Options. Inside the Word Options configuration panel, click straight into the Display category, second one here. And look under the very first section labeled Page Display Options and locate the checkbox for Show White Space Between Pages in Print Layout View. This on the first button. And ensure that this box is firmly checked, like that. And then just press OK. And this way your document grid is permanently fixed. Also keep in mind that this missing margin issue only occurs when you are working inside the standard print layout mode. So if your screen looks completely warped, always double check the View tab to ensure you haven't accidentally switched over to Web Layout or Draft View instead. So that's it. Enjoy, guys. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.